Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll tell you how you can install Metasploit framework. It is also known as MSF Venom or MS5DB. Before it was only available in Kali Linux, but nowadays it it is available also in Windows operating system. Now let's start our video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. First step, you have to open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge here, and we have to search here Metasploit download GitHub for Windows. I'll give you the link in the description, and then you have to click Linux installer. No, it depends upon your operating system. Then I have a Windows here, so I'll install Windows. You just have to click on it and it will start installing it for you. I already have it downloaded. So I'm not downloading it again. So after downloading, you will be able to see Metasploit latest Windows x64 installer. You have to run this. After that, you will just see a screen Metasploit. Wait a minute, maybe it's opening. For a permission, you have to allow it, and then it will open a screen. As you can see, Metasploit, it is opening a screen here. Yeah, and before that, you have to create a folder here, Metasploit. I'll just minimize it, and you have to create a new folder. New and folder. I'll name it and hit enter. Okay, yes, I already have it done here. So I'll open Metasploit framework, and then next, yeah, I accept. If you want to read, you can read it. You have to accept the agreement. Select a folder. Next, and disable your antivirus. I have already disabled it here. If you don't know how to disable your Avast antivirus, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and watch it. And you have to disable firewall. I'll show you how to disable firewall. I have already disabled it. You have to use when you open, you will see the Windows security actions needed. I have actions needed here. You have to open it, and you will see firewall and network protection. You have to turn it off. I have already turned it off. So let's move on our video. And the next step is you need to open it back, and next, and maybe SSL port, you can even name your, but you have to remember the port. Localhost, yes, okay, and we click on next, and it will install it. This might take a bit time, it depends upon your Wi-Fi or internet speed. Now let's continue. I'll just pause this video until it gets installed. So stay tuned. Thanks for staying tuned, friends. As you can see, it is almost installed. This also might take nearly 2 minutes. It will install. Installing database service and all. It will install it for you. Creating database user. It will take at least 2 minutes for you. Installing Pro SVC service. Installing thin service. Install any worker service. It is almost done here. Waiting for Metasploit to start. This may take a few minutes. I'll show you just after you install. No, you will have a just app name. Metasploit. It is not yet installed. So after installing this, you'll have an app name Metasploit console, or I'll just show you another step to install it, another step to open it. Waiting for Metasploit to start. This may take a few minutes. I'll just pause this video until it starts. Thanks for staying tuned, friends. As you can see, it is almost done. Now it is saying creating uninstaller, means you also need, sometimes you it does not have something, and I have finished it, and you'll click on finish, and after that just and it's Metasploit web UI. I'll just close this, and after installing this, you will see a app name and Metasploit console. This was not there before. It will start like directly like this, but if you don't want to start it like this, you need to open CMD, and there you have to type, you have to go in CDroid, and after you get in CDroid, you have to type CD Metasploit Metasploit, and hit enter. It will come, and then you have to type there dir, and as you can see here console.bat, you have to type there SOLE.BAT and hit enter, and the Metasploit will start for you. This also might take a bit time depending upon your laptop or PC speed. I'll just close this. I don't want to it to open. The second step to open Metasploit is from Metasploit console. I'll just open it and show you. As you can see, Metasploit console has here open. I'll just my PC is a bit slow, so I'll just pause this video, and when it get open, I'll friends, when you open Metasploit, the step will look like this and all. It will take a bit time. I'll not pause the video now to show you its original. As you can see, it is the same Metasploit console. My computer is a bit slow, so sorry for that. It will just open. This minute, it will take a bit time. You just have to ignore this information. You have to just nothing is there. You just can ignore it. The Metasploit framework will start. This is taking a bit time depending upon your speed. As you can see, I'm trying to touch the keyboard, but nothing is coming. Means it's loading. Metasploit console. I'll just pause again. It's taking very much time. I'm really very sorry for that. Friends, as you can see, the Metasploit console has started here. I'll just execute MSF Venom. Sorry. Executing my MSF Venom, and it's MSM Venom here. And friends, thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get my information very first. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.